Welcome back to Tutorials with Fred. If today is the first time watching my videos on my channel, welcome, stay blessed. One thing that I want you to do is to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification button so that whenever I upload interesting videos like this, you have alert on your phone and watch the video. The videos are videos are Ghana Hana videos about branding strategies, videos about technology, digital marketing, and the branding strategy. This is one of the content the bro tech with Freddy. So follow me every day for these tips like this. Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to brand your product and sell it outside on the internet. Yes, people will start contacting you once you follow me and you learn how to brand your product, put it on the internet or put it on your status. People will start contacting you. Learn some basic recipes and put it in practice at your area, your community, where you find yourselves. People will start contacting you. Let's go into the kitchen and let me show you how to practice this simple recipe.
In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make this amazing, refreshing fruit juice. It turned out so easy to make, and this could even last up to a year. So please try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Let's get started. First thing first, we're going to bring water to a boil. So in my saucepan, I added in water, sugar, stirred it to well combined, and then I covered it and brought it to a boil. The fruits that we're going to use is orange, lime, and carrots. So these are the three basic ingredients that we're going to use. So I'll cut off the tip and then peel the orange. You do not want the skin here. So when you're peeling it, make sure you peel it including the white thing. You know that white thing is somehow bitter, so make sure you peel it, take out the core, and then divide it into smaller pieces. So the orange itself, it feels so like it was sweet. So you can also adjust the sugar by yourself. If you think you don't like sugar, don't add in sugar. If your orange too is very sweet, don't add in sugar, but then it all depends on you. So I'll cut it into smaller pieces and set it aside. That's what you're looking for. I'll then set it aside and make sure I cut the lemon at the same thing I did to the orange. And please try to take out any seeds. Take out the seeds. After, I'll go ahead and cut the carrot into smaller pieces as well. This recipe does not take time at all. It's very easy to make, and trust me, you're going to love it. You're going to love it. Add the carrot to the fruit. By then the water should have come to a boil, and add it to it. So stir it and then let it come to a boil. After it has come to a boil, I added in salt. I then cover it and then let it cook for at least 20 minutes. So make sure you wait until it comes to a boil before adding in the salt, and then stir it to well combine. Cover it and let it boil for like 20 minutes. After, let it cool down completely. When you are in haste, let it cool down, like at least slightly cool down, and add it to your blender. We're going to blend this until it's smooth. Add it to your blender, cover it, and blend it until it's smooth. Even like this on its own, it was delicious, but it was a bit heavy. I prefer mine like thin, light. I don't want like this on its own. It's amazing. It's amazing, trust me. But I prefer mine like the normal fruit juice. So I sieved mine twice, and it was okay for me. So if you want, you can go in like when you sieve it once, it's okay, or you can make it as I made mine. First I sieve with the sieve, and then the last I use the cheesecloth to sieve it, and that's it. Basically that's it. With the cheesecloth, because it has tiny holes, it will be quite a little bit difficult, but just squeeze it until you're done with it. So guys, this is it. It's very simple, guys. It's simple, it's easy, and it's refreshing. Look at this. This could last at least from 3 to 5 days in your fridge. But then I'll share with you the one that could last up to a year at the end of this video, so please watch till the end. Basically, does it, guys. This is simple, it's easy, and trust me, you're going to love it. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and then don't forget to share as well. Please follow my page and subscribe to my channel. So guys, let me share with you the process for making it last for months, even up to a year. Because I couldn't find the bottle I was searching for at the supermarket, I used the plastic one and I can't put it in my saucepan. So I'll share with you with the bottle. Cover it tight, make sure it's tight, put it in the water. Once the water boils, let it cook for at least 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, let it sit in the water till it cools down, and guys, that's it.